Alright, let's look at the history of RS485. Now, USB is commonly used to connect various kinds of devices to your computer. You would be very familiar with USB. But before USB, however, the main means of connecting devices to your computer was using RS232. An RS232 port on computers of the past would look like this, a simple 9-pin port. Now, RS232 was designed mainly to connect modems to computers so that the latter could dial into mainframes, but soon RS232 spread to a host of different devices and spread heavily into the automation industry. There are major drawbacks of RS232, however. Let's look at a few of them. The first one is that it was a point-to-point standard. In other words, all you could do is connect one device to only one other. You could not connect one device to multiple devices to create a network of devices. In addition to this, RS232 could be used only up to a distance about 50 feet. Not very long, right? You need longer distances than that for automation. So transmission distance was a problem. Also, it wasn't very resistant to sources of electrical noise. Another problem there. So the RS485 electrical standard was therefore created to sort of circumvent many of these problems. RS485 allows the connection of multiple devices to create a network. We call it point-to-multipoint. Up to 32 devices can be connected onto one multi-drop RS485 connection without a repeater. RS485 also allows transmission of up to 4,000 feet, much better than 50 feet, right? And is very resistant to electrical noise. It's built that way. Hence, it was able to overcome the problems that plagued RS232. So later on in this course, we will go into the details of RS485, but for now, just know that this is why and how it came about. Okay.